Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to buy any cryptocurrency on the MoonPay app. So for you to be able to buy any cryptocurrency, you have to open the MoonPay app and log in into your account. Tap on the buy button on the home screen, then search or scroll to find the cryptocurrency you want to purchase. So select any coin. For example, you can select BTC, ETC, Ethereum, USDT, or any supported token. Then enter the amount you want to spend in your local currency or the crypto amount. So choose your payment method. You can choose between you can choose any payment method of your choice. You can select Apple Pay, Google Pay, bank transfer, depend on your availability. Then enter your wallet address. So use MoonPay wallet or another external wallet. Review the other details, check the crypto amount, wallet address, and the fee. Then tap confirm purchase. So complete the payment with your choosing method and wait for a few minutes. Then check your wallet. Your cryptocurrency will appear once the transaction is processed, and that's how you can easily buy any cryptocurrency on MoonPay app. Hope you find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.